Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we shall discuss question number 4, Roman number 1, 2, 3 of exercise 1.1 of the subject General Mathematics English Medium of class 9. Number system exercise 1.1 page number 27. Question number 4. State whether the following statements are true or false. Give reasons for your answers. Roman number 1. Every natural number is a whole number. This statement is true because what are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. are natural numbers. And what are the whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. are whole numbers. So in the family of whole number, we see the natural number also, except 0. So we can say that every natural number is a whole number. This statement is true. Roman number 2. Every integer is a whole number. Every integer is a whole number. So what are the integers? Integers are the numbers on the number line, that is 0, plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2, plus 3, minus 3, and so on. And what are the whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. So every integer is a whole number. This statement cannot be true because in whole numbers there are no negative numbers, but in integers there are negative numbers also. Now Roman number 3. Every rational number is a whole number. This statement is false because 1 by 2 is a rational number but not a whole number. 3 by 5 is a rational number but not a whole number. So every rational number is a whole number. This statement is false.